stop using the collected information to promote directly to people and give people a little bit more privacy. I think that the main point that I'm trying to say here is, if someone is actively trying to make a change in their lives, yet they had something collected on them, for example, they smoke cigarettes, and so they looked up a carton of cigarettes online, and now that information is in there. So the next thing that would happen is that all these different advertisements and things would be thrown at the people. I'd say my current answer is that for a strong person, it will just be more of a test of their strength, them moving past all these times for them to not be able to make their changes. And also for a motivated person, if they're on their tasks, then it will be something to help push them forward into what it is that they're trying to do, because everything that they need will be presented to them. If they're a weak person, or if they're an unfocused person, and they're consistently putting themselves in a position to not be better every day, then it's definitely a trap. So again, I see that there's a lot of freedom of will a lot of freedom of will being given with this situation. So I wouldn't say that in general it's a bad situation or evil or ungodly or anything like that. I would just say that it is powerful, and it is something that you want to keep in mind, especially if you're a motivated person interested in making changes in your life. So that's all for today. Peace.